Wow! Hello guys! Today we are making kelewele or Ghanaians street snack or pepper plantain with groundnuts. So don't go anywhere, just sit down, let's make this delicious snack. So here is my ingredient. I'm using ginger, pepper, echo, aiku, and then onion. And the key, the secret for your kelewele, to take your kelewele to the next level is the aiku. That one that is like beans. I don't even know how to call it in your language. So that one and the onion is the key to this kelewele. So I'll go ahead, I'm grounding it. I'll grind everything very well. I add some salt to it, then I'll grind it. I'll not make it too smooth because I want, if I put it on the plantain, some should stack on it. So I'll grind it so it's very well grounded. Yes, just like this. Now it's ready. So I've washed my plantain because I don't want, if I'm peeling it, I don't want any dirt from outside to go inside. So I've washed it, then I'm cutting it to the size I want. So you can even do it like this. If you do not wash it, you just cut it into two, then you remove side, then you start cutting it inside the cover. This way no dirt will come on it. So this one you can cut it at the back of, just like this. You just cut it like this. So you see, I show you 3 ways you can cut your plantain or your kelewele. You can decide to cut it smaller than this. So now it's time to add my pepper mix. Then I'll mix it together very well. And make sure the pepper have go to every plantain. Every plantain has got the pepper. So guys, now I mix my plantain with the pepper already. So I'm going to cover it to rest like 15 minutes. The secret for your plantain, for your kelewele to taste very nice, for the pepper everything to go inside, is to let it rest like 15 minutes or 10 minutes before you start frying it. So now 15 minutes later, I'm frying my plantain. I'll just put it inside like that. Don't mix it, just leave it to the time the plantain is removing one by myself like this, then you can stir it. So now this one is ready. So I'm taking off. Then I'll start frying the second part. So the second one too is ready. So I've been enjoying this with groundnut. You can decide to eat it like that. I like it with groundnut. So I'm frying my groundnut. I wash it with salt. So I'm frying it. This way is ready. The groundnut too is ready. So I'm taking off of the oil. Now everything is ready, just simple like that. I finished frying my kelewele. Are you loving what you are seeing? Are you going to try it? Try it and let me know your results at the comment section. By the way, thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs up. This is so sweet and delicious. Thank you. Bye.